Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's DJ with DJ's Kitchen here. I just want to welcome everybody to the channel. Today, the channel is going to be pretty much based on, this is a welcome video, as you can see, and we're also going to do a little cooking. But the channel is going to be based on cooking. We're going to do all kinds of different things, from chicken wings to gourmet meals to all different kinds of stuff. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to do breakfast, lunch, snacks, all kinds of different things. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And today we are going to be doing a egg white scramble, which is really good, and it has all different kinds of vegetables in it. We have red peppers, tomatoes, avocado, spinach, a little bit of onion, and some feta cheese, and we'll use free-range eggs, and we'll be back in a minute. I'll have everything all chopped up and ready to go, and we'll continue on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So welcome back, guys, to beautiful AMI, Florida, at DJ's Kitchen. So if you look over here, we are going to get some of the food ready to go. So we got some red pepper here. You want to cut out the white grind in here. Get it out of there because it destroys the flavor. Okay? And you just want to go ahead and do a little slice, whatever you need for your meal. That's what you want to do. So, I'm just making for myself, so I'll probably use a little bit, more than half of this. Then I'll just set that to the side. And you gotta be a chef here. You gotta get some slicing in here, get it nice and fine. Okay, get that done. Alright, and that is ready. Okay, so take that, put it in the bowl. You got that ready to go. Okay, and that's what I'll start off cooking first, is the red peppers and the onion. So we got our onion here. We're just gonna, I like to just slice it off and come down the side, peel that back, and you are ready to go. Okay, so like they teach you in culinary school, you can go ahead and make some slices in there, like so, and then turn it, do the same thing, and when you go to cut it, it will be already diced up, and you don't have to worry about sitting here crying. So there you go, nice and thin, so they cook quick and you're not waiting all day to eat. And you got some ones that you didn't get, you just quickly chop them down and we're good to go. Okay, so that would be our onions here. Onions in there. Now we got the onions. You can put them all in the same thing. You don't need any of these fancy little thingies. But here, just figure I'll show you that. Tomatoes. Everything, all the products I use are organic. Okay, so these tomatoes are grape tomatoes. They're organic. I use these all the time. I'll take them. I'll slice them in half. We got Publix here in Florida, so I use the green-wise spinach. Really good stuff. And I got some organic avocado. Okay, the feta cheese is not organic, but the eggs are organic, and they are also free range and cage free. So we try to use all good products in our food. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get the pan warmed up and get things going here. Okay, so now this is where the magic happens. We're getting a pan. We're gonna get it oiled up. We're gonna use some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. And I keep on saying welcome back, guys, and I need to stop because I'm hoping there's a bunch of women watching this too. So welcome back, everyone. So now we're gonna move the camera down and we're going to show you how this process works. So here I got the pan going. You can use whatever size pan you want. These are my favorite because I can sear in these and I can stick them right in the oven. I know I love these things. They're a little bit more expensive, but To me, they're worth every penny. So anyway, about a tablespoon of olive oil. Get it in there, get it warmed up. Also, I got some Himalayan salt we're gonna use, a little garlic powder, and some fresh cut pepper. I got my spinach here all chopped up, ready to go. So pretty much we're ready to go. But as the onions, which you'll start hearing them sizzle here in a second, as the onions are cooking a little bit, you know, not long. It depends. I like my onions a little dark, so you know, so I cook them a little bit more. Some people don't. Some people do. Sorry, we got a confusion here. I want to make sure you guys are here. Cooking the onion. So now I'm going to show you how to separate the eggs from the egg whites. So we got some brown eggs here. So it's not that tough. You can buy a fancy tool if you want, but you don't need to. You just crack, pull back, let the yolk fall. Okay? Shake it, go over one time, go over again, and there you go. It's done. Now, I'm going to use one yolk, okay, in my eggs. So I'm going to do 4 eggs with one yolk, you know, because I don't want all that cholesterol, okay? So, if you don't have cholesterol problems, you can slap them all in there. There's nothing wrong with a bunch of good eggs. Eggs are very good for you, so especially good eggs, like the ones I'm using here. Okay, so, and you can always save that to use it for something else, but you know, I don't. I just throw it away. Okay, so anyway, that's that. Now, if you guys could smell this, you'd be like, oh my goodness, this is incredible. So, now I'm going to just take my eggs, scramble them up like you would do any other eggs while this is cooking. And the only thing I really got to get done now is my avocado, which I already have a cut from yesterday, because you want to get them healthy fats in there. So, you know, this is keto friendly too. So if you're into keto, you know, this is a very good keto breakfast in the morning, and it's very good for you. It's nothing in this that's bad for you. Maybe, you know, people say tomatoes are not good for you because of the nectar in them, but I don't believe that. So I've been eating tomatoes all my life. I'm an Irish, German, Italian Jew, so, you know. So anyway, and we do a lot of Italian cooking on here. We'll make like keto pizza and all kinds of good stuff. So, you know, that's all coming here shortly. Try to get a couple videos out a week. So anyway, so that is cooking, and now we're going to take the avocado here, and you know, see that brown? That's nothing. Okay, all you do is take the thing out here. Okay, our peppers and onions are almost done here, so they're a little brown, so it's time to move on. So now what we're going to do, we are going to take our spinach, and we're going to put that in there. So we're pretty much done. Take our tomatoes, put them in there. Okay. And if it's getting a little dry, you can throw a little bit more olive oil in there. So now you got olive oil as a good fat, and you also got an avocado coming to this dish. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook up for a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that the spinach is almost cooking, the tomatoes are starting to get soft. You know, we're almost at the finishing touches here. You can, there's something burning on the stove here, but I got it. If you could smell this, you'd be like, oh my God, this smells incredible. Okay? So you can now take the avocado and just scrape it in there. Okay? Just dig it out, put it in. Okay? There you go. That's the avocado. And so now, sprinkle garlic. Little, I watch my sodium. A little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Cracked pepper, fully opened. Okay. There you go. Mix that around. Now you want to bring that temperature down a little bit because you don't want to make your eggs all, burnt. So you want to try to get that pan cleaned up a little bit. And you can do that while you're cooking here. Get the pan cleaned up a little bit, and tomatoes are just about done. So you're about ready to move on here. Okay? I know, it looks awesome. You don't have to, I know. You should smell it. So, you gotta like this kind of food for it to look awesome too. I mean, all right, so there you go. Now, nothing fancy. Drop the eggs in. Okay. Take a little sprinkle of feta, throw it on there. Depends how much you like. Can't really tell you what to do there. But there you have it. Could use a little bit more oil in that pan here. As you can see, she's starting to stick. But you know what? I'm just cooking it for me. It's not like I'm cooking it for the restaurant. So, anyway, it's just me. So, just if you want to keep that from going, you can take all the vegetables out, clean the pan, throw a little bit more olive oil in there, and then cook the eggs. But, it's just us. So, we're just going to put that in there. We're not really worrying about presentation. Okay, maybe 3 minutes. We're done. Okay, total with the eggs. Okay, just make sure they're cooked. Okay, there they are. Don't look done because of the avocados in there, but they're pretty much done. But we'll cook them for another minute. Don't let them stick. Might use something a little bit stronger than that so I can get the bottom out. But yeah, there you go. Break these tomatoes down if you want. If not, just eat them the way they are. It's not about what it looks like. It's about how it tastes. Unless you're going to serve this in a restaurant, then you want your presentation to be a little bit better. But there you have it, folks. Egg white scramble. Okay, it's done. It looks good, and we're gonna put that on a plate for you, and you will be enjoying this wonderful breakfast on your own. Here, there you go. You can still season it a little bit more. It all depends on what you want. Me, I'm good with that. I am probably gonna throw some Frank's hot pepper on there because I put that shit on everything, just like the commercial says. But here you go. Egg scramble from beautiful DJ's Kitchen from AMI, Florida. I hope you enjoy. Have a fantastic day and enjoy life, enjoy food.